Welcome back to Digital Dopamine. Today we're taking a closer look at Sora 2, ChatGPT's brand new text-to-video model, and more importantly, how to finally remove that cloud watermark. Sora 2 is definitely next level. The visuals, the motion, insane. But we got one mission today. Get rid of that watermark for free. Cloudy, you've got to go. I've been seeing some wild Sora 2 videos lately. Creators are having an absolute blast. Just look at all the incredible content flying around. Going viral is literally just one great prompt away. Now check this out. I made a few clips myself, and I want to see what you think. The first one, a nostalgic twist on the classic Cabbage Patch Kids. Let's get right into it.
It's all about that cabbage.
Then I remixed it with a spooky Halloween vibe. Yeah, I had to throw some zombies in the mix. Just had to.
It's all about that cabbage.
Pretty cool, right? The only thing I don't love about Sora 2, those stubborn watermarks. But good news, I found a free and easy way to remove them. No sign-ups, no credits, no hassle. Here's what to do. Head over to Google and search for magiceraser.org. Once you're there, click the video tools at the top, then choose Sora Watermark Remover. Upload the video you want to clean up. After it uploads, click the crop option at the top. Highlight the watermark. Make sure that you start from the first frame or you'll have to redo it. Then click Remove Now. Play it back and boom, the watermark should be gone. If it doesn't disappear, don't stress. It's unlimited and 100% free. Yeah, say it with me, F-R-E-E. We all love that. Work through the clip to make sure every watermark is gone. Then hit download at the top. That's it. Your Sora 2 video is watermark free and ready to share. If this tip helped you out, you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, and keep that creative energy flowing. Until next time, this is Digital Dopamine, fueling your imagination one pixel at a time.
It's all about that cabbage.